children, how are you all? Today's lesson is the homecoming. Before I take you through the lesson, I would like to ask you, do you have siblings? Do you fight with them? And whom does your parents support? Whom do your parents support? You or your sibling? Or they tell you not to fight? This story is about Fatih, who stays with his mother and his brother. Fatih is the elder brother, and his younger brother is Makan. Let us see what happens in the story. Fatih Chakrabarti was the ringleader among the boys of the college. What do you mean by ringleader here, children? Ringleader are the people who are the leader of some group. Ringleader, a person who leads a group, somebody who leads the group. So, Fatih Chakrabarti was the ringleader among the boys of the village. So, where did Fatih live? Fatih lived in a village. Fatih lived in a village. Okay. One day he and his friends saw a heavy log lying along the river. So one day what did they see, children? They saw a heavy log. He decided that they should all work together to shift the log from its place and roll it away. So these boys were making a lot of fun, and what did they want to do? They wanted to shift the log from its place and roll it away. But just as the fun was about to begin, they were really enjoying they were really enjoying that incident. They wanted to move the log from there and they wanted to roll it away. But just as the fun was about to begin, Makhan, Fatih's younger brother, walked up and sat down on the log without a word. So what happened, children? Fatih's younger brother Makhan, he came and sat down on the log he did not say any word, and he just came and sat down on the log. The boys were puzzled for a moment. Fatih was furious. Makhan, he cried, if you don't get down this minute, I will thrash you. So what do you mean by furious, children? Furious means very angry. So Fatih was very angry with Makhan because he came and spoiled their fun. He said, this very minute you should move from here or I will beat you. Makhan only moved to a more comfortable position. So did Makhan listen to his elder brother? No, he moreover he moved to a more comfortable position to tease him. He moved to an even more comfortable position. Now if Fatih was to keep his dignity before the boys, it was clear he ought to carry out his threat. Now Fatih was the ringleader. He used to lead the group. He was the ringleader, and this Makhan came and spoiled his name. His dignity was affected. Now if he had to maintain the dignity, he will have to take out his warning. What did he warn him? I will beat you. But his courage failed him. Because he could not gather courage to beat Makhan. Instead, he commanded the boys to roll the log and Makhan over together. So he commanded all the boys to what to do. They would roll the log and Makhan together. Makhan heard the order, but he did not move. So Makhan heard that what they are going to do, with Makhan only they are going to roll the log. The boys began to push the log with all their strength. 1, 2, 3, here we go. At the word go, the log went, and with it went Makhan. Makhan also moved along with the log. The other boys were delighted with their work. So the other boys were really delighted that they wanted to move the log and they wanted to roll it away. So they were very happy that they were able to roll it away. But Fatih was a bit frightened. Fatih was a little frightened. He knew what was coming. Children, what do you think will happen? Makhan will go and complain to his mother? Yes, I think so. Makhan arose screaming like the furries. He rushed at Fatih and scratched his face and beat him, and then went crying home. The first act of drama was over. So what did Makhan do? Makhan came and he started beating Fatih. He thrashed him and he scratched his face. Okay, he scratched his face and he went home crying. So now first most story of the drama, first scene of the drama is over. When Fatih went back home, his mother said angrily, "So, have you been hitting Makhan again?" So, mother was very angry. Mother was angry with whom? Fatih or Makhan? The mother was angry with Fatih. What did she say? "Have you been beating Makhan again?" Fatih was indignant. Indignant means angry and surprised because he was fairly treated. So because he was very unfairly. It was not Makhan, it was not Fatih who had beaten Makhan, rather Makhan had only beaten Fatih. "No, I haven't. Who told you that?" So Fatih replied to his mother, "No, I haven't beaten. Who told you all this?" "Don't tell lies." His mother said, "Don't tell lies." "I am not. You ask Makhan." So he said, I'm not lying, mother. You can ask Makhan if I had beaten him." "Yes." But Makhan said, "Yes, mother, Patik did hit me." So now Makhan is very clever. Okay, he told, what did he tell his mother? That yes, he beat me. Fatih could not bear this injustice. He rushed at Makhan and hit him. His mother moved to protect Makhan. So now, up till now, he has not beaten. So he realized that if he now I should beat him. So Fatih wanted to beat Makhan, but his mother came and she protected Makhan from Fatih. At this moment, a grey-haired stranger arrived at the door. Somebody arrived at the door. Who is it, children? We'll find out. When Fatih's mother stepped back and looked at the stranger, her anger changed into surprise. Now, what was the mood of mother, children? She was very much angry with. She was angry with whom? She was angry with Fatih, because she believes that Fatih does not treat his younger brother well. So she was very angry, and suddenly her anger changed into surprise because somebody was at the door. Why was Fatih's mother surprised? Fatih's mother was surprised because somebody was there at the door. For she recognized her mother and cried, "Why, Dada? Where have you come from?" So she saw her mother and she saw her brother and she said, "Oh, Dada, from where have you come from?" Her brother December had gone away soon after she had married to start a business in Bombay. So it was who was there on the door? It was their mother's brother. It was their uncle was at the door. So here, what is the name of uncle? It is Bishambar. He had gone away after she had married to start a business in Bombay. So he had gone away after Fatih's mother got married. He went to Bombay to start his own business. She had lost her husband while he was there, and when Bishambar uncle was there in Bombay, at that time she lost her husband. Bishambar had now come back to Calcutta and had at once set out to the village to meet his sister. And so now he has come back to Calcutta. That's why he has come to the village to meet his sister. So now where does he live? His uncle lives in Calcutta now. He had gone to Bombay to make some business, to do some business, but now he came back. He came back to Calcutta and he has come to their village to meet. The next few days were full of rejoicing. The brother asked the education of the two boys. He was told by his sister that Fatih was lazy, disobedient and wild. So now his mother thought that Fatih was lazy, disobedient and wild. But Makhan was good, as gold, as quite a lamb and was very fond of reading. So what is the difference which mother had told? Mother told that Fatih was very lamb. Fatih was very wild, he was lazy. Fatih was lazy, Fatih was disobedient, Fatih was wild. But Makhan was very good as gold and he loved reading. So Bishambar offered to take Fatih with him and educate with him with his own children in Calcutta. So what does the uncle offer? What did uncle offer? Uncle offered that he can take Fatih to Calcutta with him and he can educate Fatiq with other boys. The mother readily agreed. When his uncle asked Fatiq if he would like to go to Calcutta with him, his joy knew no bounds. So now he came to know that he will be going to Calcutta. He was staying in a village and he will be going to Calcutta. He was very happy to listen to that. And his joy had no bounds. What do you mean by no bounds? His joy had no limits. He was feeling very excited about it. It was a relief to his mother. She had been afraid that one day Fatiq would get Makhan into serious danger. Children, she had been afraid. Which tense is this? This is past perfect tense. Very good. She had been afraid that one day Fatiq would get into serious danger, but at the same time she was a little upset to Fatiq's eagerness to get away. So children, we will see in the next module what happens in Calcutta. Are you all excited to know? So children, what kind of character do you think Fatiq has? Is he naughty? He is naughty, but I think his mother is little biased with the younger brother because he is little less in age. Right? Thank you for listening, children.